If you hope to fly in the sky, the only way to do so is to take an airplane. Since the Wright brothers flew the world's first successful motor-operated airplane, aeronautical technologies have rapidly developed. As of today, it's become the most common mode of transportation. How about flying planes into outer space? One can't go to outer space by airplane. To rise above the sky, an airplane uses a force called lift. Only when there's air, airplanes can create lift, which refers to the power to lift something in the air. The word lift consists of two Chinese characters, yang to fly, and yok power. Now, let's apply the principle of lift to the wings of the airplane. The wings of the airplane are different between the top and bottom. The upper wing has a smooth curve, while the bottom wing is flat. The flat bottom wing is hit lightly by the wind, while the smoothly curved upper wing is hit hard by the wind. Lift is created by the difference between the air flowing over an airplane's wings and the air flowing under them. The wind can push the airplane up from the bottom when airplanes gain speed. As the amount of lift is also greater, the speed of the airplane increases. That's why the airplane can only rise after running at a high enough speed to fly. Then how far can an airplane go? We are surrounded by air due to gravity. That means the force of gravity constantly pulls air into the earth with its heavy weight. This shows that the force of gravity weakens if you get higher altitudes. There is plenty of air up to 10 to 20 kilometers from the ground, but there is not much air at higher altitudes. We usually call space when an altitude is greater than 100 kilometers. Spacecrafts use Newton's third law to fly. Newton's third law is also known as the law of action-reaction. It states that if you exert a certain force on an object, the force will return equally. If you push against a wall with both hands, you'll notice that your body is going to be pushed back. This is what the law of action-reaction is. If you look at the launch of an airplane, you will see that the spacecraft flies up into the sky while emitting a huge amount of fire from its tail. In reality, the aircraft uses its engine for exploding the propelling gas stored inside the rocket to push it down. When high-temperature flames and gases are emitted, they can push the spacecraft into the sky with the law of action-reaction. As you read the article, scientists have created airplanes for flying in the sky and aircraft for exploring space after noticing the common physical phenomena in their daily lives. If you always pay close attention to what's happening around you, you may accomplish some scientific achievements in the future.